Hi guys, so today we got invited down to the Caterham races up at Cadwell, and in particular one of our friends, Wes, who races in the 270R Championship. So I'm really excited to go see an actual race at Cadwell, only driving there a couple of weeks ago, so let's get going. The setup here is insane. My dad is getting serious trailer envy, but let's go watch the start of Wednesday's race.
Out they go. Well, again, Carl Jones very quick away from row 2. He's determined to be in that top 3 if he can. But the two from row men, Stephen Lyle, they're clicking side by side. And I think Stephen Lyle keeps once again going into coppice.
We have come inside for a drink because it's very windy and cold outside, but luckily we can still watch the race from here. Wes is currently in third after starting third. He's catching the top 2 though, so let's see, it's nearly finished.
This is the last one.
Yeah. Oh, go. She drives small secretly. I just put the helmet on, we swap over like the stick. So this is a little bit of the inside of the car, and of course that beautiful trophy there. So well deserved, Wes, well done. So we're just going to watch the 310R Championship, which is the step up from the 270. So are you enjoying it so far?
Brilliant, good fun.
Brilliant.
Yeah. There we go, that's the end of the day. So just a walk back to the car and one last look around all the awesome setups and awesome Caterhams. It's been a really good day, so time to head home. So we're finally back home and it was just an awesome day. I really enjoyed it, and seeing some actual proper racing in real life and supporting someone we know as well was so much fun, and I cannot wait for hopefully that to be me, especially maybe winning a trophy, who knows. But it was really good to see the Caterhams as well, because the Caterham Academy is one of my options depending how Formula Woman goes. So it was great to be in that atmosphere and see what it's all about, and I think I've fallen in love with it just a little bit. So for now, you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!